Hi, my name is Richie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the graphics demonstration. So as you can see, I have a little scene loaded up here from an external file with a interactable camera. It's kind of a FPS style. You can go up, down, and when you move forward or back, it moves in the direction you're facing. So if I turn around and move forward, I'm moving away from the scene, etc. And you can strafe left and right. Um, there are 14 models total in this scene, 6 of which are unique. And you can see that there are a bunch of dynamic lights on all these little rocks and on that temple over there. I'll just go through and kind of showcase what I can do to each model. I'll just select the bunny because he's kind of a good example. And while I have this bunny selected, I can move him around in each direction, make him bigger, smaller, and there's a bunch of rotation directions I can spin him around, make him upside down, etc. Put him back down here. Moving over to the lights, I can demonstrate. Here we go. I can demonstrate that these are dynamic, and I can move these around. Oops. I can make them visible, invisible. I can turn that on and off. I could do that for any of these lights. So I can turn off every light in the scene, or I can turn them back on. As well, I forgot to demonstrate, but I can make any object into wireframe. I think that was everything for the lights to kind of demonstrate. And then lastly, this whole thing is loaded from an external file. So if I do something crazy, let's see, I take like the temple and I move it and then I kind of mess it up. Maybe I make it really small and knock it over, and I'm like, oh, okay, I don't like how I changed that. I can reload this file and it puts it right back to normal. I can also, if I make a change to the temple and I do like it, maybe it's too big, so I made it a little smaller. I can write to that file. Oops, sorry, wrong key. I can select that again and then make that smaller. I can write to the file and then we can reload that and it will save the camera position as well. So if I wanted to maybe view it from this angle instead, and then I save that position, and then if I reload that, I'm right back to where I was every time. And everything in this scene is dynamic and I can move, scale, rotate, etc. And that's everything for the graphics.